Hi guys, for today's video, we asked two of our LGBTQ members to participate in our video called Q&A. One will be questioned with her parent and one will be questioned with his partner. And to start the video, let's have the parent and child Q&A.
Morning, ako si Sandra Villanueva. I'm a mother of Denzel Villanueva.
Ako naman si Denzel Villanueva, member ng LGBTQ. Did you always know that I was straight?
Yes. Kasi nakahalata ako sa kulas mo. Do you like me more than your father?
Of course, kasi si Mac, lagi ko nang kasama kaya ikaw yung lagi kong mas gusto ko kaysa kay Papa. Did you ever blame yourself for me not being straight?
No. Kasi karapatan mo naman na ilabas yung feelings mo. Do you ever plan to have kids in the future?
Siyempre, kasi pag kung mananatili kang ganito lang, wala kang kasama, wala kang magiging kasama sa pagtanda mo. So, pipiliin ko talaga na magkaroon din ng anak in the future. Have you ever been embarrassed of me as a child?
Hindi. Okay lang sa akin na magiging ganyan. So, what will it be?
Para sa akin, wala naman akong dapat palitan, baguhin sa sarili ko kasi may inggit man na inggit ng katawan sa iba, hindi kasi ano para baguhin ko yung sarili ko. If you have a choice, would you still choose me as your child?
Yes. Kasi anak kita. Kaya naiintindihan ko yung damdamin. Hindi. Ano ko lang natatouch na ako.
Ano po yung masasabi niyo sa mga narinig niyong sagot ng isa't isa?
Ako kasi hindi ko ina-expect na ganun yung magiging sagot niya. Pero nararamdaman ko din naman na yung sagot niya is positive.
Ako, okay naman yung mga sagot niya sa akin. Kasi alam ko naman talaga na nasa damdamin niya.
How did you meet each other?
Facebook.
How long is your relationship?
2 months. Are you compatible with my family?
Yes, dahil maganda yung pakikitungo ng pamilya mo sa akin. If you had to, would you pick me over your family?
Both, mga to kayong pareho. We weren't dating. Would you date any of my friends?
No, kasi hindi pa ako interesado. If someone better comes along, would you leave me?
No, mahal kita. Was there a time when you were ashamed of me?
Oo, nung umpisa pa lang. Anything that would break us apart?
No, kasi mahal na mahal kita. I told you that we will get married tomorrow. Would you consider it?
Yes, because I love you so much.